Hi friends, welcome back to Cadable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Umar, and in this short tutorial we will learn how to insert and scale a drawing or PDF in AutoCAD for tracing. So let's go to AutoCAD. Here I will use this drawing. First of all, I will change it to drafting and annotation. Let's go to here Insert, and then I'll go to here Attach. Here I'm using a PNG or JPEG. For PDFs, you can use this command PDF import. Okay, I'll go to here Attach. Here I'll search for my file. So the name was for tracing, and you can see it is the JPEG file. You can see the extension and select Open. Select OK. I'll click here and then I'll click here again. Now you can see the drawing or the JPEG file. Here the problem is this dimension is given in the drawing is 88, but in actual it would not be 88. Okay, you have to scale it, either scale up or scale down. So let's go to here Home. Let's change it to dimension, and here you can check this dimension. Let's say first I will put on this option Ortho. So here you can see this dimension is 103 and not 88. So I have to scale it down because the current scale is bigger than this scale. It is 88, it is 103. So it is not a big deal. Go to here calculator and clear this. 88 divided by 103, which will give you this number. Just copy this. And I'll go to here command line, write SC. SC is the shortcut key for scale. Press enter key, select whole drawing, press enter key and select the base point. Now go to this command line again and paste this value and select enter key. And now you can see the scale of the JPEG drawing and scale of this current drawing is same. Okay, you can check, let's say this dimension, let's say this one is 11. You can see it is 11, and let's say you can check this dimension as well. Let's say this dimension is 36. So here you can see this dimension is 36. Another very important thing to remember is, let's say if I am getting a value less than this 88, okay, let's say 60 or 50, so this would be a scale up factor. So go to here calculator and let's say if I am getting a value of 50, okay, this value as 50. So I'll be dividing 88 by 50 and it will be a scale up factor. So it is an important thing to remember. Okay, scale up factor and scale down factor. You can trace this drawing like this. For example, I'll change this layer to this one, and you can trace this drawing like this. And here you can see I cannot see this circle. So click this drawing, and here I will drag this to, let's say 66, and now you can see this circle. You can create another circle like this, and maybe you can create some center lines. You can create some center lines. So that concludes this short tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you find any trouble, you can ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.